Hello, and bah humbug. I've had a few people ask about the chicken that's been featured in my previous videos, so by popular demand, here's the chicken recipe. I've been told several times that this chicken tastes like steak. Now, as a chef, that doesn't really make sense to me. Chicken tastes like chicken. Either way, I take it as a compliment, but it's really the marinade that deserves all the credit. You be the judge. Does this chicken taste like steak to you? This is an equal parts recipe, which means you'll use equal amounts of everything no matter how much you use. For this video, our equal parts will be half a cup. So you'll use equal parts lemon juice, chopped parsley, white wine, extra virgin olive oil, and chopped garlic. Then add salt and pepper to taste. I used 1 teaspoon of each for this video. Mix well, then add your chicken. I'm using thighs for this video. And you want everything to be nice and submerged. Now cover and refrigerate for at least 24 hours. The longer the better. These have been marinating for 5 days. The acid in the wine and the lemon juice have had enough time to penetrate all of the flesh. This is when people start saying it tastes like steak. Sear the thigh skin side down for at least 3 minutes. Don't touch it. The main problem I see when people are trying to make crispy chicken is they want to mess with it. Just let it sit and let the heat do its work. Notice how the skin here is popping and releasing on this side. That's because this is the thinner side of the thigh. The longer we wait, it'll keep releasing until the entire thigh skin is cooked and has completely released. Once this has happened, about 3 to 5 minutes, flip the chicken and put it into the oven on 450 degrees for about 10 minutes. I like to serve mine on Lebanese style rice, and I also like to top it with a little bit of tahini sauce. Here's links to those videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.